Hi there, my name is Kelly, and today we are practicing a meditation for stress reduction. As usual, I like to start by showing gratitude to our guardian angels. Thank you, spirit guides, guardian angel, ancestors, Archangel Miguel, for guiding us, supporting us, and enlightening us during this session. So let's get started. Let's close our eyes in a comfortable position. You may choose to sit, lie down, lean against a wall, a couch, a bed, or any other surface. But if sitting in a chair, have your feet planted on the floor. Keep your back, your spine, long, tall, balanced. And feel free to rest your arms, your palms, whatever feels comfortable for you. Now let's start by focusing our attention, as usual, on our breath, our beautiful breath. The breath that keeps us alive. Take a deep breath in through the nose, filling your lungs completely with air, and slowly exhale through the mouth, releasing any tension or stress you may carry in your body. Continue breathing, following this deep pattern, allowing yourself to become more and more relaxed and grounded with each exhale. As we continue to breathe, visualize yourself resting on a beach in a beautiful sunny day with clear skies, nice breeze, and just yourself there. You, yourself, your breath, and your awareness. Bring your attention to this breath and the sensations of your body. And starting at the top of your head, feel this flow of awareness traveling through your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, if by any chance you feel any tension, imagine your breath carrying away any tension or tightness that you may hold around those areas. Now feel this flow of awareness traveling through your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, reaching your fingertips, then bring this awareness to your chest and belly. Start noticing the rise and fall of your chest and belly. For each in-breath and out-breath you take, again, continue feeling the sensations of the breath in your body. Now this flow of awareness travels through your hips, your legs, your feet, it reaches the tip of your toes. Allow yourself to feel completely relaxed and grounded. And with your body relaxed, then bring your attention to your mind. Start noticing if there are any intrusive thoughts, worries, or stress occupying your mind. And if so, there is no need to engage, to interpret, or judge. Just notice it as a bystander, watching the clouds pass by in the skies. Perhaps observing as the seaweeds float in the ocean. They are just there, but they are not part of you. So with each breath that you take. Feel the ocean carrying the seaweeds further and further away until they are completely out of sight. And your mind, it's completely calm and clear. Let's take advantage of this moment of stillness to bask in the sun. Enjoying the nice breeze touching your skin, enjoying the whooshing of the ocean. Maybe there are some birds chirping in the sky. But take this moment to dive into our inner being. It is during these moments of stillness that we find our deepest peace. And when you're ready, you slowly bring your awareness to where you are. Becoming aware of your physical body and the surface you're on. Becoming attuned to the sounds around you. Wiggling your fingers and toes. And gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste. As you might have heard during this practice, there were a lot of sounds, nature sounds. This is a great exercise in terms of seeing how we can focus, concentrate, and dive into our inner being. And if you like this practice and want to join me in other sessions, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload new videos. Again, thank you for joining me, and I see you next time.